Okay guys, so I don't even know what I'm saying.
Hollywood Studios.
Okay, we're at Hollywood Studios today, again.
And the weather has not gotten better at all.
Right, it's been raining all day. Thought we had a fast pass for Slinky Dog from 3 to 4. Well,
canceled. Exactly,
so they gave us another one, but it'll probably be for later on, or you can use it for different times and stuff. So this time I have 2 umbrellas. We're getting 2 umbrellas.
And I got the big one. So we're prepared. But it is still really nasty out.
I'll show you guys here in a second. It doesn't look like it is on camera, but it's still raining. Okay, so we're probably gonna do Star Tours. It's 10 minutes, and it's mostly indoors.
Except for the queue, but I think you're going straight in.
When he still says some of his script. So more good ideas for rainy days. Walt's second grade school desk. Oh, it does. It has WD on it. Those are. Walt's boyhood hero.
This is Walt Disney, right? I think so. Mom, did you know in Cinderella's
That's hilarious.
I'm not taking no pictures of my hair looking like this.
Oh, I know who that is.
Nice bags, não tem gente que vai pegar
Ooh, this is an early animation table. This is so cool.
Moonlight scene, the way the multi-plane camera sees it.
I'm gonna have trouble going.
This is the plan for a super cartoon camera.
Here's a whole bunch of
We call it
Mickeys.
the
Early
multiplane camera. The problem was how to take a painting and make it behave like a real piece of scenery under the camera. The different elements in the scene were separated according to their various distances from the viewer.
So you can actually buy some similar to that right now for that 90th birthday celebration.
Possible to control the bounties.
I think it's $90 too. Is that for those two?
To or away from the camera. Here now is our same moonlight scene, the way the multiplane camera sees it.
Vous avez pensé à ça? Multiplane camera? Vous avez pensé à ça?
This is the plan for a super cartoon camera.
Oh, this is where
We call it the
Walt
multiplane
receives
camera.
an Oscar for Snow
The
White.
problem was
That's really
how to take a
too, isn't
painting
Mm-hmm.
and make it behave like a real piece of scenery under the camera. The different elements
So
of
this
the
is
scene
his
were separated
studio
according
desk.
to their varying distances from the viewer. With our original picture broken down in this manner, it is possible to control the relative
This
speed
is
with which
how
each individual part of it
they
moves
did
to
the
or
multiplane
away
camera.
from the camera. And here now is our same moonlight scene,
that's how it
the
looks
way the
there.
multiplane camera sees it.
All together.
I never went in that museum.
This is the plan for a super cartoon camera. We call it the multiplane camera. The problem was how to take a painting and make it behave like a real piece of scenery under the camera.
That's cool.
The different elements in the scene were separated according to their varying distances from the viewer. With our original picture broken down in this manner, it is possible to control the relative speed with which each individual part of it moves to or away from the camera. And here now is our same moonlight scene, the way the multiplane camera sees it. This is the plan for a super cartoon camera. We call it
This was built by Disney.
The problem was how to take a painting and make it behave like a real piece of scenery.
I don't know if you guys can see it very well. I'll try to bring it closer.
The scene was separated according to the varying distances from the viewer. With our original picture broken down in this manner, it is possible to control the relative speed with which each individual part of it moves to or away from the camera. And here now is our same moonlight scene, the way the multiplane camera sees it. This is the plan for a super cartoon camera. We call it the multiplane camera. The problem was how to take a painting and make it behave like a real piece of scenery.
And this is how it works. That's crazy. There you go. You can edit everything.
Frontierland.
Ooh.
All tales and true from the legendary past. Prophets of things to come. Adventureland. The wonder world of nature's own ride. Fantasyland. The happiest kingdom of them all. Walt Disney's Disneyland.
There's Adventureland.
Each week is wherever this fabulous land. One of the many worlds we're open to. Frontierland. All tales and true from the legendary past. I know we're not. It's sí, pues he estado hablando, con la gente, pero te digo tampoco me contesta. Le dejo mensajes y tampoco me contesta. El martes te echo una llamadita, por favor. Ahora
Ladies and gentlemen, in just about 5 minutes inside the Walt Disney Theater, we'll be presenting a sneak peek of Disney's latest live-action feature, Aladdin, premiering in theaters on May 24th. If it is your wish to check out this whole new world, then go ahead and make your way down to the Walt Disney Theater, which is at the back of the museum. Turn right at the Star Wars exhibit. Once again, our Aladdin preview will be starting in about 5 minutes.
Oh, I love it.
What is that? There's F-Callies. The F-Call. The giant. There's Star Wars Land Christian. Wait, where? Stop! There's that right. Hey, look.
Two main rides. Then the center is
Podemos comprar unos sábados.
I didn't realize she was that tiny.
Hey, that's the right time.
I don't know, because I think during the summer it's fun. No, if you're part of the event, you get the same part.
Does it have her shoes? It does have her shoes. Ryan?
It has your stuff. It has a Toy Story. That's surprises, water side, the next part, that's a special area just for windows. You have 2 minutes.
Ladies and gentlemen, in just about 1 minute inside the Walt Disney Theater, we will be presenting a sneak peek of Disney's latest live-action feature, Aladdin, flying into theaters on May 24th. If it is your wish to check out this whole new world, then go ahead and make your way towards the back of the museum and hang out right at the Star Wars exhibit. Once you're here inside of our theater lobby, we do ask that you please remove your ponchos, as we don't want any wet seats in to the far left, as they will lead you over to our wheelchair seating area. And finally, during our presentation today, we would like to remind you that the use of photography or videotaping of any kind.
Okay guys, so we just finished watching the Aladdin preview and I think it changed our minds. So now we're excited for May 24th.
Oh crap, that's like soon. I was thinking like in January.
A couple weeks. Also, as you can tell, we're squinting because the sun is out. So we'll see how the weather holds up. We're gonna try to go ride Slinky Dog now and use the fast pass for that. So hopefully we can.
Slinky Dog is the best.
Also Aliens 4, saucers.
And if you disagree, change my mind in the comments below.
I say alien saucers. I'm green and Brian is yellow. Brian!
We're kitties.
We got kitties. Oh, not me. Here's more collectible pennies after the Tower of Terror, like after you leave the store. And those are the ones to choose from. So they're pretty cool. There's Chip and Dale on there, Goofy, Mickey, and Minnie.